Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot pork chops with gravy. Alright guys, I'm starting out with my Instant Pot. I have it set on saute high and it's hot. And I have some boneless pork chops here I seasoned with salt and pepper on both sides. I'm going to add a little olive oil into the pressure cooker. Now you can use bone-in pork chops if you like. It's just Holly isn't crazy about the bone-in ones, so I get the boneless ones. I like the bone-in ones better, more flavor, but you've got to keep the wife happy. Now I'm going to get my pork chops in here and I'm going to brown them on both sides until they're golden brown. Okay, now that my pork chops are all browned up and I pulled them out and set them aside, I have 2 cups of beef broth here. I'm going to add in about a half a cup. We're going to deglaze the pot. Because if you don't do this, you're going to get a burn notice while you're pressure cooking. You don't want that. So I've just added that broth and I'm just going to stir this around a little bit, scraping up the bottom of the pot. And it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. You just want to try to get the best of it up. Plus this here will also add extra flavor into our gravy because all these bits on the bottom that are caramelized down there, that's extra flavor. Okay, that's looking good. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my chops back in here. And guys, this is a really easy recipe and it's going to be really delicious with some big flavors. And what I used over here, I used a piece of foil to put my chops on. It saves on dishes and easy cleanup. So go ahead and lay all my chops down in there. Alright, and I'm going to take this juice on the foil. You want to be careful here, guys. I'm going to dump that in because that's additional flavor. Just throw that right in the trash. See, that was easy. Now I have a can of cream of chicken soup here. First, let me get my seasonings in. I have a pack of ranch dressing seasoning here. I'm going to add that in over top of the chops. And guys, I found that this ranch mix goes good with all kind of meats. You put this on a pot roast, guys, before you cook it, you're living. And I'm just going to get that down in there. Then I have a pack of brown gravy mix. I'm just going to add that in too, and it's going to make a really good, delicious gravy, guys. Just want to get that down in there. Go ahead and knock some of this extra stuff off the top chop. Now I have a can of cream of chicken soup. We're going to get that down in there. It's looking good so far, guys. And I'm going to dump the rest of my beef broth down over top of the chops. Now I'm going to put my lid on here. Making sure I'm sealed. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. After my 8 minutes are up, I'll allow this to do a natural release of pressure for 10 minutes and then I'll release a little bit of pressure that's left in there. Okay guys, I'll let this do that natural release. Now I turned it on to my saute setting again and I'm bringing this up to a boil. I have a cornstarch slurry here I'm going to stir in. And that's roughly about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 or 4 tablespoons of water. It's starting to thicken just from that hitting that. I'm going to allow this to boil for a few minutes just so it thickens up. Alright guys, my gravy's nice and thick. That only took about 2 or 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also made some mashed potatoes to go with that gravy and some corn. Now, I'm going to say that these chops are going to cut right with the fork without a knife. You can see that. And look how luscious that gravy got, guys. Give that a try. Chops are really tender, well seasoned. That gravy has a really rich flavor to it. That's really good, guys. That's my type of food, comfort food. Right there you have it, Instant Pot pork chops and gravy. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.